Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto and finance. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot to talk about in this crypto world. We are on the cusp of one of the biggest bull markets for crypto in history. It is going to be absolutely wild, especially for my favorite crypto altcoins. Okay, we're going to be talking about obviously this Ripple buyback of the XRP. They're basically buying back 10 billion XRP tokens, which is crazy as well. We've got the CEO of Bitwise basically saying the Bitcoin, and I should say crypto bull market, is actually here right now, which is interesting as well. We've got the Supreme Court in the United States as well, also siding with Coinbase, which is really good as well. And some other altcoins, of course, I'm going to go through as I do every day on this channel. And Pepe is actually doing quite nicely as well. And I will talk about my crypto trading bots as we speak. And yes, my dog is here right now. She's just cruising around. But anyway, let's get into the video, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get insanely wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, okay? Make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. And yes, I'm going straight to the community tab on my phone. I don't know why. I'm on my iPad because it is Sunday evening right here. And again, I should say YouTube on the iPad Pro doesn't really work that well. But anyway, I literally posted this up. We've got the CEO of Bitwise basically coming out. The world's largest crypto index fund manager says that a multi-year Bitcoin bull market is starting now. Let's see if anyone actually listens to it. I don't know. I've been saying that we've been in a bull market for a long time because we're still freaking early. You got to understand that I'm thinking long-term here, not short term, okay? Now, again, this is pretty hilarious, but Bitcoin is up 25% in a week. My boss, why are you late? And me, watch your mouth. I think we're all going to be like that. It's crazy. Altcoins up in my portfolio, guys. We had LCX, which is nice. Anchor Protocol. We had Loopring, which is an interesting one. Axie Infinity and Kin Token, one that I've been holding for a very long time, okay? So again, it's nice to see Axie Infinity doing quite well. Now, I'm going to go to Coinspot here on my iPad. Let me bring this up. And I do apologize, guys, about this stupid bloody thing here. Let me bring it up on my screen, and then we'll go through all of the news. Let me just bring that up. There we go. All right, so again, this is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below for this, as they are a partner of the channel. Please feel free to use that. If you are new to cryptos in Australia, you will get $10 in Bitcoin. Also, ladies and gentlemen, OKX is an official partner of the channel. I use OKX for my crypto trading, which is very awesome, literally awesome. They do not give you a headache with KYC. That's why I love them. But anyway, links are below, guys. Now, again, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars, and everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at $46,000 today. Really nice, guys. I should say 46,500. There's a difference. You've got Ethereum at $2,946, which is insane. BNB I'm just bored of anyway, $369. It's not too bad. You've got XRP, 75 cents. 75 cents is insane. People, I don't understand people's logic behind this, but when a bull market is happening, guys, you know, everyone wants to buy on the way up. When the market is quiet, this is when real money is made. It's not financial advice, by the way. But anyway, 75 cents. Is some interesting stuff happening with Cardano as well, 46 cents. You've got Doge at 10 cents, Sol's at $26. You've got LTC Litecoin at $136, down 3% today. I really do believe this is going to be a $1,000 asset. We'll go through a bit of the tokenomics shortly in the video anyway. But Matic's $1.03. You've got DOT at $8. Shiba Inu, I'm still holding that obviously, guys. I haven't sold any of my SHIB. Chainlink's at $9. You've got XLM at 14 cents. You've got ICP at $6.71. Moving down, we've got Hedera at 8 cents as well. Aptos, I do have a bot set up in this. And by the way, my bots are doing incredibly well, obviously in the Patreon, which is incredible as well. I literally have around about 13, probably close to 15 trading bots at the moment going, which is just insane. And I'm just going to quickly show you this. Actually, I'll show you in a moment, but we'll get this up on my phone so I can just show you everything. It's a bit hard to do it on the iPad. But anyway, again, moving down, we've got VeChain as well added onto Coinbase's potential listing. So keep an eye on VeChain. That's at 2 cents as well. This is one I've been very bullish on for a long time. Quant is at 164. This was $150 the other day. Very nice, up 1.63%. You've got ALGO at 21 cents, which is really nice. Some other favorites, of course, we have Theta as well, $1.20. I was buying that at $14. Let that one sink in. For me, anyway, it hurt. Anyway, CFX is at 37 cents. You've got Axie at $9, which is nice. I am staking that, earning passive income, 45% APY on Coinspot. There's no lockup period, which is something I like. Neo is at $14. Pepe is down 3.19%. My bot is doing insanely well with that one, guys. In the Patreon, Gala as well, 4 cents. Some other favorites, of course, we've got Lunk again down. I've been holding on to this for a long time. IOTA's at 28 cents. Cspr at 6 cents. And, of course, XDC at 5 cents. Very undervalued, in my opinion. Some other ones, of course, I'm bullish on, like coins like XYO and Reef. Some that I haven't mentioned for a very long time on the channel. And I probably should do a recap on what's going on the project as well. Illuvium is also a sleeper. This was a $1,000 cryptocurrency. I think play to earn games will make a big comeback, so we'll have to see where that one goes. Anyway, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. Again, I put up on my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, my indicators, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. Literally not selling any BS courses. It's just me demonstrating what I'm doing that is making me cash flow. Now, I will say this, guys. Again, I have about 15 or 16 bots set up again on OKX, and I've got the full setups in there and the full-length videos, which go for about 10 minutes, how to do this and what coins to actually select. That's very important. You can't just go trading BS shit coins, okay? Making that very clear. Anyway, Bitcoin right here is up at the moment 6.99%, which is currently trading as we speak, 24 USDT, which is nice. I've got one set up with Optimism, which is really good as well. That's up 0.53. This is all in the Patreon. I've got Stacks set up, BNB, Axie Infinity. Scrolling down, I've got Matic as well. Litecoin, which is doing insanely good as well. Solana as well, up 1.82% today, which is really good. We've got Cardano bot set up, XRP, that's a given. We've got Pepe, which is my best performer, believe it or not, up 16% right now, as you can see right here. Very, very good. And of course, we've got CFX set up, and we've got Aptos. So again, all the bots are in the Patreon. Join up, it's linked below. I explain how to set these up and how to identify good coins to trade. That's more important than anything, guys. And also, which is more important than that, is talking with my community, and I love doing that directly as well in the messages. So link is below, guys. Do not wait around. Now let me just refresh Crypto Bubbles. We've got Aave, the biggest gainer today, 25.5%, $72 USD, 41% on the week, 14% on the month, which is really nice. Still up 8% on the year, which is really good. Some other ones, of course, we've got Synthetics right here at 16.2, 23.2 on the week, and it's still trading at $2.26. Maybe it's a good trading coin. I have to look into that, of course. Carver. I mean, I'm bullish as anything on the utility coins, really. On the day, you've got 10.1 for Carver, 40.7% on the week. Where in the hell can you make 40% gains on an asset in a week? Tell me. That doesn't exist. That's why institutions want to get into cryptocurrencies. The normal return in an S&P 500 index fund, normal traditional stock market, an average would be around 8 to 10 if you're lucky. Really. 40% in a week? Insane. Anyway, guys, let's have a look at some other assets here. Now, we've got some good buying opportunities still. I mean, Casper is still undervalued here, down 1.6% to 4 cents. What else have we got here? Algorand as well. Very bullish. It's a banking coin. It's one of my favorite utility coins at 4.3% on the day, 19 on the week. This is just the beginning. And of course, XDC, a sleeper in my opinion, at 0.8% down today, still up 1.9 on the week, 6.5 on the month, and 11.3% on the year, which is basically the average S&P 500 return. 3 cents USD, incredibly undervalued in my opinion. Anyway, let's move on to the news. And I just had a few beers tonight, so I do apologize. But anyway, we've got Ripple Labs to buy back 10 billion XRP from its circulating supply. There's an interesting thread on Twitter, by the way, for this, but we'll get into that in a moment. But in a groundbreaking move, Ripple Labs, the San Francisco-based blockchain company, has announced its plan to buy back a significant portion of its XRP tokens from its circulating supply. And the buyback initiative totaling 10 billion XRP marks a significant milestone from Ripple and sends a strong signal to the crypto market. This article right here will dive into the implications of this buyback and what it means for Ripple and the broader XRP ecosystem. Now, if you move down here, guys, the decision to repurchase 10 billion XRP stems from Ripple's Lab's strategic vision and commitment to enhancing the utility value of the XRP cryptocurrency. By reducing the circulating supply, Ripple aims to exert more control of the token's price stability and liquidity, which is important. And obviously, additionally, the buyback program demonstrates Ripple's confidence in the long-term prospects of XRP, which could positively impact market sentiment. And the buyback initiative is expected to bolster investor confidence in Ripple and its native cryptocurrency. And by removing substantial portion of XRP from circulation, Ripple Labs aims to, you can see here, address concerns regarding the potential market oversupply and price volatility. And the proactive approach signifies Ripple's commitment to fostering a healthy and substantial ecosystem to XRP holders. Very, very nice. And of course, we've got here one immediate effect of Ripple's buyback program is a potential price stability. And by reducing the circulating supply, Ripple could create a supply and demand imbalance, leading to more controlled price trajectory right here. The increased stability can attract more institutional investors and traditional financial entities, which is nice, and who often prioritize stable assets for investment and adoption, aka the traditional stock market. Anyway, so Ripple's buyback program comes at a time the crypto industry is experiencing increased regulatory scrutiny. Ripple Labs has been embroiled in the legal battle with the SEC, which again, we're all still waiting for an update on this stupid lawsuit from Gary Gensler. Now, moving on, we've got 2 Ripple clients launch a payment tool for Indian expats in Bahrain, which is nice as well. And with a new trading, or I should say tooling, Indian expats right here in Bahrain will be able to pay their domestic utility bills in a streamlined manner. The services will be available in both web interface and mobile applications, which is nice. And as noticed by Wrath of Kenneman right here, a synonymous crypto community legend, by the way, and basically Ripple and XRP, 2 users of Ripple FinTech, Deca Quant rolled out cross-border digital payment solution for Indian citizens staying in Bahrain. This is a nice pickup right here. And the launch is designed to allow non-residents of Bahrain to leverage digital payment services in India, obviously previously, and they had to rely on conventional payment methods. It's just a nice little update. Now, I just want to point out the rich list. Now, I haven't done an update on this for a very long time, but if I go to current statistics, and again, this is a great site if it actually wants to work. And I might make this bigger for this, guys, because it's going to be a lot easier. Let me just blow this up. As you can see right here, I'm recording the screen, but you've got 10%. You'd need to be holding now 3,549 XRP, okay? Obviously, if you're going to be in the top 5%, it's 11,000. 4%, you're going to be holding 15,000 and so on and so on. Basically, if you're top 1%, you're holding about 70,000 XRP, which is a lot of money. 0.5 is 122,000. And of course, the 0.1 is 470,000 right now. And if you're in the 0.01%, you're holding 6.6 million XRP, which is absolutely wild. Now, if I just go to this, right, the historic wallet count, this has increased since 2022, all right? Moving on to January this year, look at that rise. That is just continuing to grow every single day. And as it stands right now, we are still sitting at 24th of June. What is the date today? 25th. 4.664 million wallets. That is significant. That really is, guys. It really, really is. Now, let me just bring this down for a moment. And it doesn't want to load, so let's just get out of here. And as the SEC looks to clamp down right here on the Binance and Coinbase, In a recent lawsuit filed against both exchanges, it might be losing the case against Ripple, which is nice as well. And the sentiment around Ripple XRP has been positive over the past few months as crypto enthusiasts look towards positive news regarding the ongoing court case. And basically, the SEC has been a clog in Ripple's wheel right now since December 2020 as things are beginning to look good for XRP with victory on the horizon. And again, the main turning point in the case was the introduction of documents relating to the former director, Bill Himman, which is an absolute freaking con artist, if you ask me. And the documents right here refer to internal SEC messages, basically talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum right here. Ripple argues that XRP was launched in the same manner as Ethereum, and it should classify XRPs as a commodity as well. Now, I just want to point out that people were advising Bill Himman about the obviously all of these cryptocurrencies, and basically XRP does not meet any of the Howey tests. Okay, so any prongs of the Howey test, I should say. So it should be classified as a commodity. It is not a security. Cannot wait for Gary Gensler to bite his words. And moving on, we've got the Supreme Court obviously siding with Coinbase in first ever crypto company case against obviously to reach the top level of the US judiciary right here, which is tongue twister. Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the United States, has won a Supreme Court ruling allowing the company to pause deliberation of a lawsuit and move proceedings into private arbitration. That is huge. And while it may not have a direct implications on crypto, the victory marks the first of any digital asset firm in the Supreme Court ruling. And the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the digital asset firm by 5-4, which overruled the lower court's ruling regarding a customer's lawsuit right here, which alleges that Coinbase failed to replace the funds fraudulently taken from his account. And the sole question here is whether the district court must stay in pre-trial right here and trial proceedings while in the interlocutory appeal is going on. The answer is yes. The district court must stay its proceedings. And it makes sense that the lower court litigation should be paused while the appellate court decides on whether a case belongs in court at all. I don't see there being a court case, and Gary Gensler just wants money in his pocket, to be honest with you. Anyway, we've got Bitwise CEO calling for a multi-year bull market right here starting now. This is what's happening. And the CEO of Bitwise, the world's largest crypto index fund manager, says that the multi-year bull market is now kicking off, fueled by a long-awaited wave for institutional interest. And in the Bloomberg interview right here, Matt Hogan says that the crypto prices have shown incredible resilience in the face of increasing regulatory scrutiny. And basically says this, so it has been climbing a wall of worry, and now we have BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, putting its flag on the ground and saying Bitcoin matters. And it's an asset that institutional investors will want to own for the next 5 to 10 years. And I think we've entered a new era of crypto. I call it the mainstream era of crypto. And I think we've entered a multi-year bull market that's just getting started now. That is freaking awesome. Absolutely love it. And again, we've got Pepe up 63%, sorry. And I am trading this with my bot, so that is all linked below. Make sure you go check that out. Let's have a quick look at cryptometer.io. We've got money going straight into XRP. There you go. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. Ethereum right here, Aave. We've got Cardano, Solana, Loopring, which is interesting. Waves was one that I was trading as well a long time ago with my bots. Anyway, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and the Graph, which is interesting. Now, I'm going to get Twitter up here, and I don't know why this always happens. But anyway, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me there, guys, on Twitter. Thank you to those 4,758 people. You absolutely rock. I'm going to be giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Next crypto cycle will be the largest in Bitcoin history right here, which is insane. Very, very nice. We have an interesting thread here by Wall Street Bulls, and that's an interesting name, by the way. But anyway, groundbreaking news, Ripple Labs is in buying back 10 billion XRP tokens from the circulating supply. Say goodbye to the price manipulation. With this game-changing move, expect enhanced price stability and liquidity. Get ready. Obviously, suppressors, your time is up. That is true. I think Gary Gensler's the biggest suppressor anyway. Banking giants Credit Agricole right here. Santander seek to provide Bitcoin and crypto custody under French registration right here. They want to hold your Bitcoin. Why would banks be applying to hold your crypto? Think about it. Anyway, Bitcoin, yeah, past $31,000. Obviously, that was 5 hours ago. We've got USDC on Stellar right now, is officially supported by Coinbase. Very bullish on Stellar, and that should have sent the price pumping a little bit, but that's just the beginning. Yes, that is me listening to 50 cents a day. And Jim Cramer says Bitcoin is dumping. Crypto Twitter be like, just inverse it. That is hilarious. Investors worth $5 trillion are ready for XRP, which is an interesting tweet right here. But additionally, Forbes argued the possibility of the storm rocking the crypto market following a stunning revelation from Laser Digital, a digital asset subsidiary of the banking behemoth Nomura right here, sorry. Its recent survey of professional investors managing a staggering $5 trillion exposed an overwhelming desire to invest in cryptocurrencies like XRP. We're before the institutions. Again, this is the Indian, I should say, expats right here in Bahrain. That's really nice as well. VeChain served Coinbase a Wells notice, SEC served Coinbase a Wells notice, claiming that the company was offering unregistered securities in violation of federal law. Yesterday, Coinbase Assets added VeChain and VCHO to their roadmap. Keep an eye on those as well. Johnny Denton says here, I don't believe Ripple is buying back 10 billion XRP until I hear it from Ripple. Interesting. Imagine losing 8.5% of your wealth overnight. Try Bitcoin. There's the charts right there doing insane things. And this is why we are Bitcoin right here. They printed $8 trillion, gave $1,400, sent the rest of their friends, and you're left with inflation. Truth. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much it. And you've got BRICS, obviously, considering using Bitcoin for cross-border transactions. That is going to be very slow. And, of course, we've got the Fear and Greed Index sitting at 62. Now, if I move to Coin Market Cap, I'm going to make this bigger, ladies and gentlemen, full screen. This is my portfolio. It goes up every single morning in the Patreon. Go join up, guys. Obviously, Anchor, LCX, and Harmony One, top gainers. Where I'd really like to focus on, of course, is the banking coins. This is where my money's going. It's not financial advice, but of course, Bitcoin, ETH, XRP. Some ones I'm very bullish on here, of course, Link, XLM. You've got ALGO, Cspr, XDC, LCX as well. It's all part of the banking. I should say the quantum financial system, more to the point. And yes, of course, I've got my full list here, my portfolio. And if I go to market cap, let's just have a look at Litecoin. Have I added this here? Because I'm very, very curious just to go through this and have a look. Where are you? No, it's not there. Why? That should be there, guys. Let's have a look. If I go LTC. Okay, that one needs to be added. Done. Maybe later, mate. Let's go to Litecoin. I want to have a look at their tokenomics, as it's been a while since I've looked at it. But anyway, we've got 84 million in circulate or max supply. Circulating is 73. This is going to have a halving very soon as well. So again, I'm looking at Litecoin. Long term, it's still up 1900%. Probably not as good as everything else. But I mean, XRP is priority for number one, like for me. Anyway, guys, 8,000% in all time. It is madness. I would have loved to accumulate XRP back in 2016 for under a cent. Absolutely mind-blowing. All right, that is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you very much. It is a long one. Thank you very much. I'll speak to everyone in the comments community tab. Make sure you join the Patreon as linked below, because I'll be putting some bot updates as well in there tonight. All right, stay safe, guys. Have a good one. Peace out. Bye.